you know what? I can do so many creative things with these branches. This pile of twigs is sitting in my garden for some time. Hello, my dear gardeners. And I think I have a great idea how to reuse them. Every time I acquire extra twigs and branches, I always try to reuse and create something interesting in the garden. So let's begin the creative process. What I'm going to do, I'm going to trim this branch to be only in 2D how would you say, dimension. So anything that goes into 3D, I will trim off. What do you think? It's kind of funny looking, but you know what? I'm going to plant here. What do I want to plant here? Cucumbers. I planted little radishes here, and I planted salad, and I want to plant cucumbers here where the sun is full during the first part of the day, and hopefully this construction wouldn't look so, I don't know, somewhat awkward. But at least, you know, it's handmade and it does blend with the environment. Kind of a quirky structure, but I'm happy I made it. The rest of these sticks, the long ones, since they're very flexible still, you know, I'm going to use to fix my wattle fence right there at the back. And you know what? I have that wattle fence already for 4 years, and every year I'm thinking it's going to collapse, but it doesn't, so I'm very happy about it. And every year it sags because squirrels and birds and other, I suspect raccoons, constantly wiggle it and branches get off, get dislocated. So I'm going to use these long flexible branches to fix my wattle fence. All right. And so my wattle fence keeps chugging. As for the small twigs, what I like to do is this. Let's put it here. There's these type twigs. I cut them in small sections and I use them as a ground cover for my pots. And these little twigs, little sections, little bits, look quite colorful for a while. It's not the most efficient way of spending time in the garden. It takes time, but you know what? I like to recycle these twigs as well. So what I do, I basically cut little pieces. And these ones, these little bits, I cut from my butterfly bush. The branches of butterfly bush are somewhat porous and they have interesting light color. I will call it the fancy name, French linen color, kind of faded wood color. So I like to use it in my pots. And these somewhat thick sticks I'm going to use to fix my wattle fence. You see, I installed it here near my raspberry patch several years ago, and I also keep renewing it because, you know, wood ages quickly, 1-2 years. So you see they're almost the same size. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give them a trim. One of the twigs, you see, became old, so I'm going to install the new one. He's a big and handsome one. I don't know what I will do with him. You know what? I probably will trim him well and keep him for something, I don't know, for something tall. Da-da-dun, da-dun, dun, da-dun, dun, dun, dun. Interesting.